What do you mean?
Open. I
Oh my
am
god.
Elmo.
No, there's no. What do you mean?
I told you. It's not that
What is
easy.
you know?
Wanna join my free gift cards giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video and turn notifications on. And finally, tell me on the comment section that you subscribe.
Guys, before this video starts, we finally have merch available, alright guys? Boom, look at this fire merch. So make sure to get yours before they get sold out, alright guys? They are selling like so fast. Link on the description to get yourself the hottest merch ever. Let's go. Hey, and welcome back to another brand new video, another day, another banger. Guys, on tonight's video we have a really insane video, alright guys? Just let me show you guys this. Yo, it's about Elmo, right guys? So guys, on tonight's video, we are gonna be cutting the Elmo open at 3 AM in the morning as what happens guys, alright? Yo, I really don't know what is gonna be inside Elmo, right guys? As you guys know, I cut it open Spider-Man. I cut it open the elf on the shelf. I got this video from Omg Station and Jester, right guys? Yo, when they cut it open, the Elmo doll on their video, it was really scary, alright guys? And I decided that I wanna cut open my Elmo doll and see what's inside it, alright guys? This is going to be so creepy and scary. I got my Elmo doll right over here, right guys? This is my Elmo doll. And guys, we are gonna be doing this at 3 AM. For those who don't know what happens at 3 AM, same as the time where all the evils and spirits come to earth guys and start them to do anything they want. That's why we are gonna cut open the Elmo doll with this knife at 3 AM and so on and so forth, alright? Before this video starts, you guys know what to do. Boom, go follow me on both of our social medias guys. It's all on screen right now. So follow me on there for chance to get shout out every video guys. Like this. Boom, it's in Instagram shout out. Boom, it's in Snapchat shout out. Again guys, follow me on there for chance to get shout out every video guys. And go down right now, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on post notification to be on notification squad, alright guys? But before this video starts, you know what time it is?
Then get to cross.
Alright guys, so now let's stop messing around and look at the time. Look at the time guys, it is 3:16 AM in the morning right now, alright guys? And I just got the Elmo doll right over here, alright guys? Just look at it. It looks insane, look at this guys. This is the Elmo doll and I'm gonna be cutting him open. So I'm just gonna place the Elmo doll right over here, right guys? Look, I got everything over here. I got scissors, I got knife. Yo, and I got tape in case it tries to escape, alright guys? Yo, come on. This is going to be creepy guys. Yo, let's start cutting the Elmo doll open. Let's do it. I got the Elmo doll right over here and I got the knife, alright guys? Should we start with the knife or the scissor? Come on, let's start. Oh my god, Elmo! Yo, what do you mean?
This is it. This
Look,
is
oh my
Elmo.
god, what happened to the lights? Yo, please stop this. Yo, come on Elmo, please just turn the lights on. Oh my god. Wait. Where did the Elmo go? Oh my god, there's no way.
I'm here.
Elmo. What do you mean?
I told you. It's not that
What
easy.
is, you know, I'm gonna cut you open.
Cut me open.
Oh my god, guys, there's no way. Oh my god, guys. What should I do?
Catch
Should I
me
capture
if you
him?
can.
Oh my god, guys. This is so insane. Look at him, he's actually moving. Yo, I haven't even done anything yet. Guys, I'm just gonna go for it, yeah?
Come and catch me. You
Elmo.
cannot.
Elmo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, Elmo. Can you stop this? Yo, guys. I'm trying to cut him open. Let's go. Elmo. Yo, wait, I cannot do this with this hand. Yes. Come here, Elmo. Yo, I'm not gonna do it now. I'm just gonna catch him. 3, 2, 1.
Let me go. Let me go.
Elmo, no, stop this. Stop moving. Yo, Elmo, stop this. Come on, stop this. No, stop it, stop moving. Yo, why is your eyes glowing?
You cannot
Stop
cut
this, you
me
cannot
open.
escape. Come Come on, Elmo, please. Come on, stop this. No. Stop it. Come on, just stop it. Oh my god. Let me put him on the table. Oh my god. Yo, there's no way. Yo guys, I'm holding Elmo, alright guys? Come on, I think I'm gonna start cutting him open now. Come on. Yo, I hope he doesn't move. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Oh my god guys, my phone is ringing. Wait, who's this unknown number? Yo, I almost cut him open. Yo, who is this? Every time. Hello? Hello? Hello, who is this? Wait guys. Who is this calling me? Hello? Yo, this is so scary, no one's talking guys. Hello, hello. It's just an unknown number. Hello. Wait, why is no one? I don't know guys, this is so creepy. Look, no one's answering, like no one is talking. Oh my god. Wait. Let me just hang up on them. Let's continue. Oh my god, come on. What happened again with the lights? Stop this, Elmo. Yo, Elmo, stop it. Come on, just turn the lights on. Come on, where does it keep on going? Elmo. Elmo. Stop this, don't move. Yo. You guys, he just jumped. I just set up the camera on a tripod and I'm gonna tape him up, alright, just so he can't escape.
I will get you.
Come on guys, I just got the knife and Elmo right over here and we are gonna cut him open in 3, 2, and 1.
I swear to God, if you cut me
What is
open,
it saying?
you cannot
What
cut
do you mean?
me open. I
Oh my
am
god.
Elmo.
No, there's no way.
I'm gonna come for you.
No, should I start it?
I swear to God,
No,
if
should I
I
do
get
it or
out.
no? Come on, yo guys, I'm actually so scared. Yo guys, I'm actually so scared. Should I
I'm
do
gonna
it?
come for you.
Yo, he's not moving anymore. Guys, this is the scariest cutting ever. Come on. Yes, it's cutting. Come on. Alright guys. Come on. Alright. Elmo is completely open. Little more. Done. Yo, let's see what's inside guys. This is so scary. Alright, it's just fluff. Let's see. Wait, what is this? Guys, I can see something. Guys, it's a broken light bulb. Look at this guys, I think this is Elmo's heart. That makes him move. And when I put the knife inside, this thing broke. Yo, I think this is what makes Elmo move. Yo, let's keep it here. Yo, it's just glass shatters. Come on. Let's get everything outside. What is this? Yo, I don't know what that is. Wait, glitter! Again we found glitter guys! And the last one we found glitter as well. Yo, I don't know what does this glitter do guys. Look, it's just a glitter. Yo, this is so scary. There's a key in Elmo. I don't know what this key is for. Let me know in the comment section if you guys know what this key is for. Yo, I'm just gonna keep it here. Yo, let me check if there is something else inside. I'll tell you guys. Yes. Look at this guys. I found the key. I found the light bulb. Yo, it was all inside Elmo. And look at this guys. I found the glitter. Yo, my god. Yo, it's glitter guys. Oh my god, it looks so good. Yo, there is no way. Look at this guy. It's glitter. Yo guys, I'm just gonna set up the camera on Elmo. I'll go and I'll come back. Oh my god.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared?
Yo, oh my god, I'm back guys. Yo. Oh. So guys, I'm just gonna end the video here because the Elmo moved and there was some creepy stuff in it. Yo, this is so insane. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end the video right over here, alright guys? So make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notification to be on notification squad, alright guys? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.